Here is the first actual real look at the iPhone 14 design. No render or concept or CAD images, the actual physical glimpse of the iPhone 14 lineup front and back. It took Apple 5 years to create this and it seems like people are not happy. I believe that it's still an improvement over the notch, but let's be honest, it's such a little improvement that if you look at it for more than 5 minutes, it starts to look bad. We have never seen any company implemented a hole punch like this, and I wish there was no gap between the holes. It would have been better if it was just one pill. But as we know Apple, they have to stand out, and in process of standing out they have created something that does not really look that good. Now this new hopeless design is only coming to the Pro models. The regular iPhone 14 and 14 Max are still rocking that same notch design one last time, just like last year models. One good thing about the iPhone 14 design is that the overall bezels are reportedly thinner. According to source of the leak, Apple will be going into mass production of these panels very soon, so these are very likely the final date. Let me know what do you think about this in the comment section below. Now moving forward, we have the pricing detail for the upcoming iPhone 14 series. According to Front Page Tech News, the upcoming iPhone 14 series will be expensive because the regular iPhone 14 will be coming with a $799 price tag, $899 for the iPhone 14 Max. iPhone 14 Pro will be coming with a price tag of $1099 and $1199 for iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is definitely going to be a high price as compared to last year model. Anyhow, moving forward towards the other leak, according to Mark Gurman, the iPhone 14 Pro models will exclusively featuring a new 48 megapixel wide camera, while the regular models will continue to feature 12 megapixel sensor. This is further confirmed because the cases of the iPhone 13 Pro series do not fit on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup because they have a bigger lenses. I'm still very excited to see the new cameras and of course the new capabilities with the video performance that the iPhone 14 Pro family will bring. We are also going to get a bigger battery as well, which I hope will be an improvement from the last year models. And you guys, I'm really excited for all those core upgrades that we are going to see on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the final design of the iPhone 14 Pro model? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.